Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at a video editor called Invideo. So as you can see in the Google search, I have searched for Invideo and this is the website for Invideo online video editor. So I'm gonna click here and there you go. This is the website for Invideo online video editor, and as you can see here, it is totally free. Okay, so I'm gonna click on get started. But before that, I'm gonna quickly look at the templates where you can see YouTube video templates, business templates, marketing templates, or you can create slideshow, or there are so many video templates here. So I'm going to look at YouTube video templates. As you can see, there are a lot of templates which you can actually use for YouTube. It's pretty fantastic, you guys. So I'm going to quickly hover back and I'm going to try and click on explore. There we have an intro maker, outro maker, slideshow maker, ad maker, birthday video maker, Instagram video maker, invitation maker, and so many things with InVideo. And here we've got the tutorials to actually learn some of these stuff, and you can actually chat with their representatives to get to know more about this. And there is also a pricing where we could actually check for the pricing. So the free version is $0 and the business version is $15 a month, and the unlimited version is $30 a month. So as you can see, free version offers pretty much everything we need, and the primary difference between the business version and the free version is that you can create HD videos up to 60 HD video exports per month and 10 iStock media, and you can get 1 million plus premium media. They're talking about the templates and no watermark at all. So I guess there would be a watermark in the free version, so let's check it out. So I'll go back to the home page here and I'm going to click on get started. I'm going to sign up with Google and I'm going to sign up with my own account. There you go, guys. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna do it for work, and I'm gonna just click on YouTuber, and I'm gonna click on continue. And it's just me, so I just choose just me for the size of the business, and it's just me again. So I'm gonna click on continue. How did I hear about the video? Okay, it's gonna be YouTube. Continue. I'm just gonna click on produce content faster, click on continue. I'm gonna click on YouTube and click on continue. There you go. There are a lot of questions that Invideo video editor actually asks before we get started. There you go, guys. This is our dashboard, and here there are so many things that we can actually do here. So if I click on the create new button, I can either create from templates, or I can start with an editor, or I can start with stock media, or I can just add text to video. So I'm going to quickly click on templates first, and I'm going to create a good looking Instagram video. So this is a predefined digital marketing Instagram video. So I'm gonna use landscape. So if I use landscape, then my video looks pretty different, but as this template is a portrait video, so I'm gonna click on use template here. There you go, guys, the video is ready. So I'm gonna click on logo here to include my photograph. There you go, guys, we got a nice looking photograph, and if I hover over some of these items here, I can actually edit them. I'm gonna just double click here, and as you can see, we can edit the text here. I'm gonna quickly talk about Emmanuel, and down below I'm gonna say I am a YouTuber. Now let's see how it turned out to be. Okay, so we've got numbering done here as well. So I'm gonna click on nothing here because I don't have something to list out. So I'm just gonna delete this, and I'm gonna come here and just double click here, and I can say I create professional videos. One. And if I come here in the second, I'm gonna double click here, and I'm gonna say I engage with my audience. There you go. And if I come back here, I'm gonna double click here, and I'm gonna say I post videos twice a week. All right, that's it. So I'm gonna quickly look at how this video turned out to be. Great, this looks fantastic, you guys. So within matter of minutes, we created a video using one of the templates that Invideo has to offer. So this is pretty great online video editor, you guys. You don't have to, worry a lot. You just have to, create from template, and you can also collaborate with some of your friends online because they could also add in some of their input and create a nice looking Instagram video, which is fantastic, you guys. All right, so here we've got a color overlay which is black by default, but it is only possible if we buy the pro version. And the media, we could also change the media which is inside by clicking on the media here. And as you can see, if I double click on the media, I can actually include some of the videos at the background, or I can actually search from other templates which is available, and just drag it and drop here where my media has to start, and actually Invideo creates the video on the background for me. It's fantastic, you guys. So I completely like this Invideo online video editor, which is fantastic. And the only drawback here is we can only share the video to a link, and we are not able to export it as a video. So here it says upgrade to export. So guys, this is the bummer when it comes to Invideo online video editor. We can edit and create simple videos, but we can actually share only the link. And here we have options to crop, we can set up the fit type, or even adjust colors. And if you want to remove background, that can be done, but that can be done only in the pro version. Alright, you guys, we can align, we can create an animation, we can add animations. If I click on animation, there are so many animations that we can add. Uh, you know the animation here means transitions, so we can actually set up some of the transitions here as well. If I click on the music tab here, we have some of the stock music, we have SFX, we've got genres, where we could actually select music from the genres we want. There you go. The genres, we've got so many genres over here. And as you can see, there is a horror genre where we can include horror audios, and you can click on the moods. It says angry, playful, inspiring. This is so much useful, guys, for creators who does short films, and it will be very helpful for them to actually create some videos. All right, we can also include our some of the elements in our video, like some stickers or some images or some masks. You could add some of these elements to your video, which is fantastic, you guys. All right, guys, this is it from me today. I think I've given you a brief overview about InVideo video editor, and I hope this was useful. So until I meet you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care.